Hello, welcome everyone! In this video, we will dive into the world of salmon. The famous and beloved fish among seafood lovers, we will uncover the secrets of this unique fish. From its diverse species and sources, to its nutritional benefits and health advantages, we will also showcase delicious and diverse cooking methods, and share 3 mouth-watering recipes that will make you want to try them right away. Are you ready to explore the world of salmon? Let's get started. Salmon is a type of freshwater and saltwater fish. Belonging to the family Salmonidae, it is characterized by its thick and tapered body, ranging from 30 to 150 centimeters in length, depending on the type of salmon and its habitat. Salmon is known for its vibrant and beautiful colors, which can vary from bright red, orange to pink. Depending on the species of salmon and its life stage and natural environment, salmon is found in the northern oceans and the Pacific Ocean, including the North Sea, Bering Sea, and the Atlantic Ocean, and also extends to some rivers and lakes in different regions around the world. Salmon is considered an integral part of the natural environment of many rivers and lakes, playing a crucial role in ecosystem balance and wildlife reproduction in these areas. Salmon are migratory fish. The epic journey of salmon migration is a mesmerizing spectacle of nature's resilience. These remarkable fish swim tirelessly against powerful river currents, overcoming obstacles such as waterfalls with breathtaking leaps along the way. They confront a myriad of environmental challenges, from shifting freshwater to saltwater conditions, temperature fluctuations, and varying oxygen levels. The arduous migration of salmon has captivated the attention of researchers and scientists who closely monitor their movements to gain insights into the impacts of climate and environmental changes on these magnificent creatures. Understanding and safeguarding the sustainability of salmon resources is of paramount importance to ensure the survival of these awe-inspiring fish for generations to come. There are many species of salmon with different characteristics and specifications. Here are some of the most common types of salmon. Atlantic salmon, or salmo-salar, also known as North Atlantic salmon. It is one of the most famous types of salmon. It is found in the Atlantic Ocean and is used in many seafood dishes. King salmon, Oncorhynchus sharja, also known as Chinook salmon. It is the largest species of salmon. It is found in the Pacific Ocean and is characterized by its bright orange color and unique flavor. Sockeye salmon, or Oncorhynchus nurka, also known as red salmon. It is known for its vibrant pink and red color. It is found in the Pacific Ocean and is used in many seafood dishes and Japanese sushi. Pink salmon, or Oncorhynchus keta, also known as humpback salmon. It is known for its silver color and delicious, distinctive flavor. It is found in the Pacific Ocean and is used in various dishes. And there are many other species of salmon, are offering diversity in choice and preparation of various recipes. The main salmon-producing countries. Norway. Norway is one of the largest producers of salmon in the world, with fish farms equipped with advanced technology for breeding and producing salmon too. The highest quality standards. Canada. Canada is also one of the major salmon-producing countries, with numerous farms and specialized research centers for salmon farming in cold waters. In northern regions, Chile. Chile is a major salmon producer in South America, with salmon farms benefiting from an ideal geographic composition and suitable natural resources for salmon farming. United States. The United States produces salmon in several states, such as Washington, Alaska, and Oregon, where there are farms and fisheries that cater to local and international demand. Russia. Russia is a major producer of salmon in the areas of the Arctic and Barents Sea, benefiting from abundant water resources and suitable climate for salmon farming. These are some of the main countries that produce salmon, with production volume and types of salmon produced varying in each country, based on local conditions and market requirements. Did you know that salmon is not only delicious, but it's also a powerhouse of health benefits? Let's dive into the amazing health secrets of salmon. Salmon is renowned for its high content of omega-3 fatty acids, those essential fats our bodies crave for optimal health. Omega-3 fats have been shown to have numerous health benefits, from reducing inflammation and improving heart health to supporting brain function and promoting healthy skin. But that's not all. Salmon is also a top-notch source of high-quality protein, which is vital for building and repairing tissues in our bodies. Protein is crucial for maintaining healthy muscles, bones, and a strong immune system. And that's not the end of the story. Salmon is packed with essential vitamins and minerals that are essential for our overall health. It's an excellent source of vitamin D, vitamin B12, vitamin B6, and vitamin A, as well as minerals like selenium and potassium. Research has shown that salmon is a heart-healthy choice. The omega-3 fatty acids found in salmon can help reduce inflammation, lower blood pressure, and improve cholesterol levels, all of which contribute to a healthier heart. But wait, there's more. The omega-3 fatty acids in salmon also support brain health. They've been shown to play a crucial role in cognitive function, memory, and mood regulation, making salmon a true brain-boosting food. And let's not forget about the skin. Salmon is rich in antioxidants like astaxanthin, the compound responsible for its vibrant pink color. These antioxidants help protect the skin from damage caused by free radicals, promoting healthy, youthful-looking skin. So, if you're looking for a delicious and nutritious way to boost your health, look no further than salmon. It's not just a tasty treat, but also a treasure trove of health benefits that can do wonders for your body and mind. Now, are you ready to cook some salmon? We will share with you 3 easy and quick recipes for cooking salmon. Lemon garlic baked salmon. Ingredients: salmon fillet for pieces, 2 lemons sliced, 4 cloves of garlic minced, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, salt and pepper to taste, fresh parsley for garnish. Preheat your oven to 180 Celsius 350 and line a baking sheet with parchment paper. Place the salmon fillets on the prepared baking sheet and season them with salt and pepper. In a small bowl, mix together minced garlic and olive oil. Drizzle the garlic oil mixture over the salmon fillets. Make the salmon in the preheated oven for 12 to 15 minutes, or until the fish flakes easily and is cooked through. Serve the baked lemon garlic salmon with roasted vegetables or mashed potatoes, and garnish with fresh parsley. Recipe number 2, grilled teriyaki salmon. Ingredients: salmon fillet for pieces, 1/2 cup of teriyaki sauce, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil, green onions chopped for garnish, sesame seeds for garnish. In a shallow dish, mix together teriyaki sauce, brown sugar, and vegetable oil. Add the salmon fillets to the marinade and let them marinate for at least 30 minutes. Preheat your grill or stovetop grill pan over medium-high heat. Remove the salmon fillets from the marinade and grill them for about 4 to 5 minutes per side, brushing them with the marinade occasionally. Until they are cooked through, serve the grilled teriyaki salmon with steamed rice or vegetables, and garnish with chopped green onions and sesame seeds. Recipe number 3, honey soy fried salmon. Ingredients: salmon fillet for pieces, 3 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of honey, 1 teaspoon of sesame oil, 2 cloves of garlic minced, salt and pepper to taste, green onions chopped for garnish. In a small bowl, mix together soy sauce, honey, sesame oil, minced garlic, salt, and pepper. Place the salmon fillets in a serving dish and pour the honey soy sauce mixture over the fish. Heat vegetable oil in a deep frying pan over medium heat. Place the salmon fillets in the heated oil and fry for 2 to 3 minutes per side until the crust is crispy and golden. Serve the honey soy fried salmon with rice or noodles and garnish with chopped green onions. We hope you enjoy cooking salmon with these recipes. We've reached the end of the video. We hope you enjoyed learning about the world of salmon. If you liked this video, please do not forget to support us by clicking the like button and subscribing to the channel.